Hello friends, myself Sanishan Das and welcome to my channel. Today I will do a short unboxing of the product called Avatar Mushroom LED Night Lamp Wall Light. It is approximately 200 gram weight, and this is a night lamp. You can just plug it in your wall socket, and this night lamp has 3 LED lights. Two is fixed of warm color LED light, and one is the color changing light, and the whole night lamp is shaped just like the mushroom and some petals and some flowers. So nothing to say more about that. This is a made in China night lamp and it has no warranty, but you can repair it from your local market, no matter to worry about. This is very easy to repair. So this is a good night lamp as I saw on eBay, and its price is I purchased from eBay at only rupees 215. And so nothing to say more about, just do a quick unboxing and show how it looks like. And here I have done the quick unboxing. You can see, and this is the main unit, and with the 3 rose flower and the 3 mushrooms and some petals. Select on the back side, it is Indian standard plug, and on the below there is a sensor, is a light sensor. When the light is on in your room, the mushroom doesn't glow or doesn't shine, but when the light goes off and no light comes to the sensor, then only it is glows. Okay, so as I said, this is the made in China product. So you can see the everything is written in Chinese language. You can see the colorful fantastic photoelectric switch, more convenient branching of Frele, infinite originally LED light source, power saving, durable environment. Yes, it is power savable because it doesn't glow in daylight. If you just forget to off the switch in daytime, it doesn't glow, so it just saves your power and automatically goes glow when there is no light in your room. And stimulated lotus leaf mushroom, more like potting. Okay, and it is very useful for decorating your home. So this light has no warranty or guarantee, but easily repairable. This is the 0.2 watt and 220 volt. The height is 180 and width is 55 mm. So that's all. And this is a good light, and this is how it looks like. This is the main unit. The pink unit changes the color, and yellow and green stays fixed. Okay, now we'll plug it into my wall socket and see how it looks like. Okay, so here I have plugged into my Indian standard wall socket, and you can see it is now in daytime, so daylight source and sun is coming directly to the sensor, so that's why it is not glowing. But you can see the power is on. You can see the power is on, and that is now not glowing, but I am covering the sensor below. Yes, it is now glowing, but it will glow more bright when your room is totally dark. So I will also check it on night, and you can see the middle one changes the color, so it will look more gorgeous in dark condition. So I will check that in dark condition also. Now I am testing this Avatar LED lamp in night. It is now 9 p.m. so there no sunlight coming and no light. The room is totally dark, so I am using this flashlight. So okay, I'm just switching it off, and the switch, yeah, it is now glowing. And if I do the switch on of the light, it automatically goes off. You can notice this carefully, it already goes off. Again, I am, when switching it off, it automatically glows. So that's perfect, it is working, and this is good light. Okay. So you can purchase this without any hesitation, and this lamp is totally repairable, so no matter to worry about. And this is the good product for decorating your home. However, thanks for watching my video. If you have really liked my video, then please press the like button below, then subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, then please do comment below to let me know. However, I hope to see you in my next video. I was Sandeep Sundar signing off. Bye.